When searching for the right credit repair agency, keep these important things in mind. Having bad credit can feel like a bad dream sometimes. Collection agencies can make you feel hopeless. The problem is, some credit repair agencies promise to miraculously clear your credit in a very short period of time, and that's not always possible. You want an ethical credit repair agency that helps you clear your debt the right way. The following are 3 vital tips to help you find a credit repair agency that's right for you. 1. Do not enlist the services of an agency that asks for a fee upon your initial consultation. 2. Make sure the agency has a good understanding of the laws and has proven experience in repairing credit. 3. Always ask if they have online testimonials or positive reviews they could direct you to. There's more you should know about choosing the right credit repair agency. The information we provide could save you time and money. Just visit our website or call us today.